And this is Pixel Club, and our first game is Minecraft. Let's get straight into the tutorial. You can play Minecraft in so many different ways. Like, for example, I made this world with mobs and animals. For example, this pig, a skeleton, zombie, and I think I have a slime somewhere. Yeah, and a slime right over here. Wait. Nope, wrong way. Let's go. You can play Minecraft in so many different ways. So many different devices too. For example, this is this is playing on the iPad. And let's go to settings and figure out how to change our point of view. I don't know how to do that, but okay. You can play it on the iPad. My main one is Xbox. But I'll show you right away the other one.
And we will today go mining in a cave.
Well, I hope that helped you get started with Minecraft, and I'll see you at the Pixel Club. Bye.